So, my presentation is called Less Waste, More Food, and Easy Ways to Make a Difference. Some of the topics that I'm going to be talking about are food waste, insects, and fashions are made from food waste. So, the first topic that I'm going to be talking about is food waste. As we discussed in class, food waste is a big problem with tons of good food thrown away every year. This wastes resources like water, energy, and labor, and it also harms the environment by contributing to pollution. A lot of food ends up in landfills where it releases harmful gases. By planning meals better, storing food correctly, and using leftovers, we can reduce waste and make a positive impact. Small changes like buying only what we need or donating extra food can help save both money and the planet. So the second topic I'm going to be talking about is insects. The reason why I called my slide "Insects for Future" as a question mark is because not a lot of people know that insects are being considered as a potential future food resource, because since they're high in protein and easy to farm, and they also don't require a lot of resources like a traditional livestock would. Farming insects also produce less greenhouse gases, use less water, and need less land. As the world's population is growing, insects could help feed more people in a sustainable way. They're already eaten in many parts of the world, and with the growing interest in alternative protein resources, insects might become a bigger part of the diet worldwide, which is why I think a lot of people do not know that insects are being considered as a potential future food for protein instead of livestock, since they are requiring less resources like a livestock animal would require, which is why I put a question mark there, because a lot of people might be disgusted or freaked out that eating a bug was like going to become normal in the future. So my last and third slide is about fashion from food waste. I was inspired by the mushroom topic that we learned about, and how a lot of clothing were made from fungi, mycelium leather, and I was really inspired because I really like that topic, and which is why I think that fashion made from fungi and food waste is an exciting and eco-friendly innovation. Materials such like mushroom leather, like mycelium, like I mentioned, and fabrics made from discarded food products are being used to create sustainable clothing. I think these materials require fewer resources to produce and have a much lower environmental impact than traditional textiles. By recycling food waste and using fungi, I think designers are not only reducing waste but also creating stylish and alternatives to leather and synthetic fabrics. I think this trend helps move the fashion industry toward a more circular, planet-friendly future. Since also there's a lot of trends going on right now about the fashion industry, I think if designers start using more fungi-made leather, I think it would be really popular, considering that in this generation everything becomes a trend, especially on social media. So the class takeaway and how the topic relates, I think the future of food, fashion, and sustainability is full of exciting possibilities, such like insects could become a major food source, while fungi and food waste are being used to create eco-friendly clothing. I think these innovations are helping reduce waste and conserve resources. As for students, I think this opens up careers in areas like sustainable farming, green fashion design, and alternative proteins. By learning about these ideas, I think students can play a key role in shaping a more sustainable world, just by using creativity and science to tackle important problems. That is it. Thank you.